Dahil ang tunay na tawag po doon is you have lack of faith in God.
He possess ay muling pinasukan ng masamang espiritu, siya ba ay matatawag na repossess?
Wow, that is a very mind-boggling question. But definitely, no. Hindi po. Dahil ang tunay na tawag po doon is you have lack of faith in God. Hindi ka po muli papasukan or papasukan ng masamang espiritu kung una pa lang binuo mo na ang pananampalataya mo sa Diyos. You are a child of God. Well, always remember that you are a child of God. No matter what gender, no matter what religion, and no matter what nationality you are, you're still a child of Him. And I thank you.